Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve the problem in strings called largest odd number in a string, which is the LeetCode problem number 1903. So first let us understand the question. So the question gives you are given a string num representing a large integer. Return the largest valued odd integer as a string, that is a non-empty substring or an empty string if no integer exists, if no odd integer exists. A substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. So the problem gives us a numeric string and asks us to return the largest valued odd integer, that is the substring of that string. So here the example one is, suppose the example is 52. The 52 is given as a string. So we have to return the largest odd string. So here the largest odd number is 5. So the explanation is the only non-empty substrings in this given string are 5 to 52. So here the 5 is the largest odd number. So the 5 is the only output. So here also we get another example 4206. Here everything is every substring in the string is even number. So there is no odd number exist. So the output is empty string. If there is no odd number in the given string, we have to return the empty string. So there is another example called 35427. So in this the given number is a largest odd string. So this same number is written as output. So for understanding this question, let us take an example called 35420 string, which is the number 35420. So let us first understand very important observation. An odd number is always ends with 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We know every odd number is end with these digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we have the observation the odd number should be end with these digits. So instead of checking every substring like 3, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 2, 0. So instead of checking every substring, we have an idea called, we can simply look for the rightmost odd digit in the string. That means we know the odd number is always ends with these digits. So we have to look for the rightmost odd number. So we start from rightmost part. So there is the last one called 0, which is not a odd number. So 2 is not a odd number, 4 is not a odd number, 5 is odd number. So here 5 is the odd number. So the numbers which starting from 0 index to the rightmost odd number is called the largest odd number in the string. So if we see the example, we start from the right, 0 even, 2 even, 4 even, 5 odd. So we take from 0 index to lastmost right odd number. So here 3 5 is the largest odd number in the string. So if we take another example 1 2 3 4 5, this is the string. So here we start from the right position. 6 is not a odd number, so let us look for 5. 5 is odd number, so we take everything from the starting to right, we return this substring. So here the output is 1 2 3 4 5. This is the string. So if we, so this is the string. So let us code for it. So we have to iterate from rightmost part to leftmost part. For that I am taking a loop. First I will take a variable called index. I will put -1 and I will iterate from rightmost string to rightmost of the string to left portion. So for that I will start from rightmost. So I will take initial I position as last one, so num dot length. So num dot length -1. If the string size is 5, we are starting from 4 because the indexing is start from 0. So next we are checking up to I is greater than or is equal to 0, and at every iteration we are decreasing I by -1. So after that I will take every rightmost value and check if it is odd number or even number. For that I will taking a value. If we observe the number which is, it is not a number, it is string, so we have to convert this character, every rightmost character, into integer value. For that first I am taking the character, so the function is num dot caret. By using function we can get the exact character at that position. So if we want to convert this as a number, we have to use this minus brackets 0. So I am checking if the value is odd number or not. So for that, if the value is odd number, it should not be divisible with 2. So I am checking for that. If the value is not divisible by 2, it is odd number. So I will take at that index. So I will take that index and stop the loop. So next that if I am checking the index, if the index is -1 means there is no odd number in the string. If we observe this example, there is no odd number. If there is no odd number in the string, we have to return the empty string. So the return type is a string, so we have to return the empty string. So I am writing like this. So if the index is not -1, we return the substring from starting position to up to the index I, up to the index we have to we stored. So for that I am using the method called substring, which is predefined method in the strings. So from starting means 0 index to index +1. +1 means up to the exact position. Means this substring method returns 0 to, if we put index, it returns from 0 to index -1. So for that we are using index +1. So we first we submit. So after submitting the 3 given test cases are passed, so we submit with the remaining test cases. So after submitting the code completely, we get 99% better than 99.80% and 1 millisecond time. So when we come to the time complexity, here the time complexity is big O of n, because we are scanning the entire string, and the space complexity is big O of 1 because we use only a few variables. So that is the problem. If you found the explanation helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.